Hi, I'm at the bottom of the home page and I want to take you through a very short discussion of color and font combination selection. So notice at the bottom there's two links I want to point out. The first one, the color and font combination advice, it's worth reading. And the next one are printed samples. You can actually see how things look. That's really important. Let's first click on color and font combination advice. Double click on it. Okay, it looks like a lot of writing. It looks like it's kind of hard to read. The bottom line is, it's a myth that black is a universal color. It's not. White is. But white doesn't work on yellow or white pencils. So then silver or gold come in. Silver and gold have a problem in the mid-range of pencil colors. It doesn't show up well on purple. It doesn't show up on royal blue can even be a problem. It depends on the font. Let's talk about font. If your color contrast is weak, then you need a thicker, bolder font. For example, someone ordered natural lacquered hexagonal pencils and they put silver print. That's a light print color on a light pencil. Okay, red flags. They picked the Arial font, which is easy to read, but it's relatively thin letters and it's small. It's going to be a problem. If they had done the same color combination with the McKellar font, it still would have been sans serif, very close to sans serif, but it would have been far easier to read. Okay, McKellar versus a thicker letter versus a thinner one. If your color contrast between the pencil and the print color is strong, red and white, royal blue and white, black and gold, you can use the fine-lined fonts. It doesn't matter. Okay? So that's really all you need to know, is really think about those, especially those mid-range colors of pencil colors, everything in the spectrum around purple, royal blue, red, emerald. They have a problem with silver and gold unless the font is thick. Doesn't have to be big. It just has to be either capital letters or just thicker letters. Okay, let's go down to the bottom of the page. Let's look quickly at printing samples. And there you go. Dark green and white. There are the oranges, the mid-range colors right there in reds with white. I love that's Marjorie. This actually does work. The Gloria script can be really hard to read because it's a lot of flourishes, but we used, that was a light green and a sage print on a regular green colored pencil, and it worked. Okay, this is silver on the purple for the bat mitzvah, white on blue, clearly white and black, very easy to read. That's burgundy on yellow as we go down. Sage on black. That's light and dark. Okay, white on burgundy. Look at this one, do a random act of kindness. That's a bright blue pencil with the gold, matte gold. That's a little harder to read, definitely, than the brown. Still can read it, still would print it, but it's more difficult. Here's the matte gold on dark green. Really, really easy. White on, that was a regular blue. And this is purple on the cream pencils. And as you can see, there's white. Let's go down to Knowledge is Power. White on natural lacquered with, that's a large 8-point font. That's Broadway. Definitely easy to read. One of my favorite combinations is the metallic rose on the pastel pink. That is a pretty, pretty combination. And come down to the best is yet to come. A few pencil sets down. That is turquoise, metallic turquoise on the natural lacquer, dark on light. It works well. So thank you for taking time to consider this. Your results are going to be so much better and you'll be that much happier.